Stir-fried sesame ginger pork. Ingredients: 1 pound pork tenderloin cubed steamed white rice. 1 cup vegetable broth. ½ cup water. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. ½ cup honey. 1 tablespoon sriracha. 2 cloves garlic minced. 1/4 cup cornstarch. 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons sesame oil. 1 large carrot sliced. 2 shallots thinly sliced. 1 clove garlic minced. 1 cup broccoli florets. 1 cup mushrooms sliced. 2 small bell peppers green and red, thinly sliced. 1 cup sugar snap peas. 1 can water chestnut strained. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place cubed pork in a medium bowl and toss pork to coat all sides with seasoning. Place seasoned pork in a single layer and place bag on a baking sheet. Fold the open edge of the bag under twice and crease well. Bake for 15 minutes. While pork is cooking, prepare the sauce and stir-fry vegetables. Combine sauce ingredients in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Bring to a boil, stirring frequently until cornstarch is dissolved. Remove from heat and cover, set aside to thicken. Heat 1 teaspoon sesame oil in a large heavy-bottom skillet or wok over medium heat. Add carrot and shallots and stir-fry 2-3 minutes, until shallots begin to turn opaque. Drizzle 1 tablespoon sesame oil around perimeter of skillet, then toss in garlic, broccoli, and mushrooms, stir-frying another 2 minutes, until garlic is fragrant. Drizzle remaining teaspoon of sesame oil, then add peppers, peas, and water chestnuts, and stir-fry until crisp tender. Total stir-fry time should equal about 8 minutes. Remove vegetables from heat, add cooked pork and sauce, and toss to coat. Serve immediately over steamed rice.